In this video, we show you how to check, edit or select liability and expense charter account codes so that Xero can automatically post the payroll journal once you've completed your pay run. Let's take a look. First, select the Payroll tab from the Xero dashboard, then choose Overview. When you first access the Overview page, you will see two options for setting up Xero Payroll. If you are a new employer or moving to Xero Payroll from another system and don't have an XML file of your last successful full payment submission, follow the guided process to set up Payroll. Click Start Setup to begin the process. The Payroll Overview page lists the tasks to complete before you can run your first pay run. Click Add Payroll Accounts to begin the first task. The first step to setting up your payroll accounts is to select the bank account from which you'll pay your employees. After you complete each pay run, a payment file containing the bank account details will be available so you can pay your employees by faster payments or banks. Use the drop-down box to select the bank account if you've already set one up, or click Add New Bank Account to set one up now. To set up the bank account, read the information. Enter the account name, sort code and account number and click Add Account to complete the process. You'll return to the first screen where you can select the bank account you've set up. Click Next to move on to Step 2. Read the explanation of the payroll chart of account codes, then click Next. If you use the Xero default chart of accounts, Xero pre-populates the payroll liability accounts. I've set this example up using a current liability code 827 called Combined HMRC Payroll Liability, which I can use to update the pay and national insurance liability accounts, and later on, the student loan deduction account under pay items. Once each field has a code selected, review the summary on the right-hand side. Then click Next to move on to Step 3. Repeat the process for the payroll expenses accounts. Check Xero's default codes or select the required codes for your business. And click Next to continue. You'll see a message confirming that your payroll accounts have been updated. You can manage them at any time. From the Payroll Settings page, click Close and Back to set up to complete the task and return to the Payroll Overview page. You'll see the payroll accounts task is marked as complete. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.